This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 23, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up 0.48 points or 0.11% to 419.28. Total trade volume was down with 81,587 shares changing hands at a total value of 465.8 million real or over $116,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Grand Twins International, up 0.84% or 60 real to 7,180 real per share, followed by Pestec Cambodia, which rose 0.36% or 10 real to 2,790 real per share. Other stocks also up were Akleda Bank and Sihanoukville Autonomous Port. On the downside, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ dropped 0.49% or 10 real to 2,030 real per share. Meanwhile, the remaining 3 stocks on the main board stayed flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was down 1.22% or 30 real to 2,420 real per share. Picasso City Garden dropped 0.41% or 20 real to 4,800 real per share, while DBD Engineering stayed flat at 2,150 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 32,936 shares changing hands at a total value of 240.9 million real or $60,000, approximately 40% of the total trade volume on Tuesday. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 11,148 shares changing hands at a total value of 22.6 million real or over $5,600, about 14% of the total trade volume on December 23rd. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD was stable at 4,012 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was down to 98.01. Looking at global commodities, oil prices slipped on Tuesday as traders weighed geopolitical risks against bearish fundamentals after the U.S. signaled it might sell Venezuelan crude it has seized, while Ukraine's attacks on Russian vessels and peers heightened fears of supply disruptions. Brent crude futures edged lower by 13 cents or 0.2% to $61.94 US dollars per barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude eased 14 cents or 0.2% to $57.87 US dollars a barrel. Gold touched a record high, coming within a whisker of breaching the key $4,500 per ounce level as investors flocked to the safe haven on U.S.-Venezuelan tensions, while silver also rallied to an all-time peak. Spot gold rose 0.9% to $4,486.55 US dollars per ounce after hitting a record $4,497.55 US dollars earlier in the session. U.S. gold futures for February delivery gained 1.1% to $4,519.20 US dollars. U.S. stock futures held steady on Tuesday ahead of a flurry of delayed data releases that could fill in gaps in Wall Street's picture of the economy, but are seen as unlikely to change the landscape for rate cut bets. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and Dow Jones Industrial Average futures all hugged the flatline, following the third win in a row for U.S. stocks to start the week. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 23rd.